It looks so pretty. I'm not even going to cut it. Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can convert your baggy trousers or leggings into a beautiful dress, beautiful sexy dress. So guys, also have another channel, it's called Sharon Wani's Vlogs. If you haven't subscribed to that channel, please go and subscribe. I'll put a link up here or in the description box down below. Okay, so there's a video shared with you last week on Shalom. I was just like recreating Shalom Black's hairstyle and I had worn these leggings, so I decided like to just wear these leggings because they are baggy, to wear it as a dress, and I really loved it. So, and also I have like other DIYs where I've converted my leggings into dresses, but now in today's video is like a different hack on how you can wear your baggy leggings. So guys, if you have baggy leggings in your house, you can just convert them into a dress. You don't even have to cut them. Okay, I'm going to show you like maybe two hacks on how you can convert it into a dress without cutting it, and also how you can cut it and create like two dresses from one legging. Guys, if you love this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So I have two leggings, this one, the one that I had worn last week, this one, and this one, and this one. So I'm going to cut one of them, either this or this, but I really love this one. I'm not going to cut this one. I really loved it, like when I convert it into a dress, but then I can still wear it as leggings. So I'll cut this one and make two dresses from this. So these are the leggings. They're very comfortable and baggy, and I love the prints as well. So this is how you're going to wear your leggings, like this. Your entire body has to go through this like through one leg. After you pass your legs through like that, you're going to pull it up like this. Just pull it up, and then this other leg is going to be like your hands. Just do like this. And then with this type of dress, if I want to wear it with a bra, this is what I always do. Like, these are my straps. But then if I want to wear like a bra in this type of outfit, this is what I always do. Just remove the strap from this. Just remove this strap like this, and then you're going to pass it like this at the back. So it's going like to cross at the back, and then you pull it like this. Of course you have to adjust the straps because you don't want it to be tight. Like this, and then you hook it there. This other part, you hook it on your bra like that, so that you have everything is in place. Like this part is lifted and this part is lifted as well. So on my hands, I'm not going to cut this black part because it just fits so well. Like I'm okay with it like that, but then at the bottom I have to cut it because like I can't walk comfortably, so I'll have just to cut it. So this one is okay. It's like it will be like a bodycon dress. So this is just okay. But then if you feel it's too tight, you can just cut like here instead of like almost at the bottom of it. So you can just cut here so that your legs go through. let me try this second pants. I really love this color on me. What do you think? And then with this dress, like, you don't have to cut the bottom part of it, like the opening, because it's already big, so like your leg will just fit. And then because it's baggy, like, you can't walk with it like this. If you're comfortable walking with it like this, it's okay. Or maybe you can just form something here. You can just be creative. I don't know. But then you can use an elastic band, put it there, and then you're going to tuck it in this band like this. It's just a design on its own, like this. I was actually planning to cut these pants, but I'm not going to cut it. It looks so pretty. I'm not even going to cut it. There's a DIY I shared with you last year on how to convert baggy pants into a dress. I'll put a link here, or I'll show you some clips on how you can convert your baggy pants into a dress by just cutting it like in the middle. So with this dress, I'm not going to cut it. I really love it. I love the color and I love the design as well, so I'm not going to cut it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.